Hello everyone, this is Anuj from GadgetGig. Today we have with us one more true wireless earphones, and this time it's the OnePlus Buds Z2, which is the successor of the OnePlus Buds Z. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and will let you know how they perform. So starting with the unboxing experience, in the front we have the picture of the earbuds, and here we have the model name OnePlus Buds Z2, and this is the pearl white variant. At the back of the box we have the specifications, and guys, as it's a Chinese variant, so we have everything written here in Chinese. But here we can see the battery capacity, which is 520 mAh. At this side of the box we have the key features, and here we can see we get the 40 decibel ANC mode, 3 mics, 11mm driver, 38 hours of battery backup, IP55 waterproof, and we get the Bluetooth 5.2. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So on the top we have the charging case itself, and inside it we have the earbuds. The build quality of the case is good, and I find this glossy finish premium. We will look at the charging case and the earbuds in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So in the box we have the accessory box, and inside it we have the user guide and the warranty information. And here we have the Type-C charging cable. You also get 2 pairs of extra ear tips of large and small size. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the earphones closely. OnePlus Buds Z2 are the latest version in the Buds Z series. The Buds Z2 adopts a very similar design as the OnePlus Buds Z. Now looking at the case first, the case of the Buds Z2 is of good quality. It's small and you get this pill-shaped shell which is lightweight and easy to carry. Now in terms of the overview, we have the OnePlus branding in the front, and here at the back we have the Type-C charging port along with the reset button. You also get this LED light in the front. The case of the Buds Z2 doesn't support wireless charging, but you get the quick charge mode which will give you 5 hours of usage time with just 10 minutes of charge. The battery capacity of the case is 520 mAh, which can charge the earbuds approximately 4 to 5 times more. Now looking at the earbuds, we have the in-ear style earbuds in the Buds Z2. The design is not changed, but you do get some additional features, such as you get the larger 11mm driver in these earbuds. And also, now we have the active noise cancellation support in these earbuds. The earbuds are also lightweight and weigh only 4.6 grams each. The battery capacity of the earbud is 40 mAh, and with the case, as mentioned earlier, you can charge them 4 to 5 times more. Now in terms of the other features, you get the Bluetooth 5.2 support, the earbuds are IP55 waterproof, and the case is IPX4 waterproof. Overall in terms of design and build quality, though the design is same as the OnePlus Buds Z, but in the Buds Z2, you're getting few new features such as the ANC and the larger 11mm driver. Now let's turn it on and pair it with our phone. So for pairing, you can pair them with your phone like the regular TWS earbuds, but in order to use all the features, you need to install the app Hey Melody. Or if you're using a OnePlus or Oppo phone, you can go to the Bluetooth settings to see the features. So here we have the earphones connected. Now let me show you first the codec, and here we can see we have the AAC codec support. Now about the features, so in these settings, on the top you have the ANC mode, and in this earphone you get 2 ANC mode max, which can cancel the noise level up to 40 decibel, and then the regular noise cancellation mode, which is around 20 to 25 decibel. And below it we have the earbud controls, which you can also customize as per your choice. By default, a single tap will pause and play music, double tap will take you to the next song, and triple tap will take you back to the previous song. Long press for 1 second will allow you to switch between ANC and transparency mode. At the bottom we have the ear fit test, which lets you know if the current fit is suitable for you or not, and this will help you to choose the correct size ear tips. Now let's talk about the main feature, and that is the performance. So guys, I have listened to different genres of music with these earphones, and about the sound quality, I find the clarity very good. You get the boomy bass in these earbuds, which if you prefer, then you will love the sound output of these earbuds. But for me, the bass was bit too much. Nonetheless, the instrument separation is good, and overall, I find the performance of these earbuds pretty decent. I have also watched movies with these earbuds, and with the OnePlus 8, I was able to experience Dolby Atmos sound while watching videos on Netflix app. Now talking about the ANC performance, there are 2 modes, max noise cancellation and the regular noise cancellation. In the max ANC mode, the earbuds will reduce the background noise up to 40 decibel. And during our testing, we found the ANC performance decent, though it's not that good as the Apple AirPods Pro. You also get the transparency mode, which lets you be aware of your surroundings, and there also the performance was decent. In terms of the other features, there is also a low latency gaming mode, which was working perfectly with our OnePlus phone. But guys, you will not get the low latency with other phones. The 3 mic setup in these earbuds will allow you to take voice and video calls without any issue, and the other person on the call will get less background noise. Now lastly, about the battery backup. With the ANC on, you can get 4 to 5 hours of battery backup, and in the normal mode, it's around 6 to 7 hours, which is not that bad. So overall, the OnePlus Buds Z2 offers a good design and build quality. The sound output is good, and if you like punchy bass, then you'll find the performance of these earbuds very good. They are comfortable to wear, and you get good passive and active noise cancellation in these earbuds. Features wise, if you have a OnePlus phone, then you'll have a good experience, but on the other phones, you'll be missing out on a few features such as the ultra low latency and the Dolby Atmos support. So are they worth buying? So it all depends upon the pricing. If OnePlus launched these earphones in India in between 4 to 5,000 rupees, then we think they are value for money. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and review of the OnePlus Buds Z2. Let us know if you like them, and also if you have any queries or questions about these earphones, then do let us know in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Gig for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.